So how is it possible to build the interior of a modern Porsche sports car in 5 minutes? Firstly, a little bit of background. A number of years ago, I bought a 981 Boxster S, loved the car to death, and then in a fit of madness a few years later, I bought a salvage base Boxster. The salvage car wasn't bought to put back on the road. It was bought simply just to pull apart, learn all about it, and make as many videos as I possibly could to help people out with their DIY projects. So in the end, I had a car that looked like this, and it needed to be looking like this. So one day I set up the camera and put the whole thing together. The whole process took a little under 5 hours, and I've sped that up about 70 times, so it takes a little bit less than 5 minutes for you to see the whole thing being put together. So yes, my 5 minutes is a bit of an exaggeration. Interestingly, what you're going to see here is exactly the same for the Boxster Cayman and 911. Because they're all built on the same production line using exactly the same parts. The only real difference that you'll see with the 911 is the shape of the dashboard and the instrument cluster, but apart from that, they're all identical. So if you are interested in how a modern Porsche sports car is put together, sit back and watch.
Thank you.